Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to draw a new artboard. So let's get right to it. I'm going to open this document, and let's say that you want another artboard right next to this one. So for this to happen, you can easily click on Artboard tool from the tools panel, and this is the icon for Artboard tool. So just click on it, and as you can see, it is now active. You can either change the current artboard size however you like, as you can see, and to keep the dimensions, you can hold down the shift key, and let's see what happens. As you can see, it is fixed, so the width and height change at the same time. So this is what happens if you hold down the shift key, but if you leave it, then you can change it however you like. So let's get back to where it was. And now, okay, let's say that you want to copy this artboard. So to do this, let's go back to the first step. So I'm gonna click on selection tool and do all of that one more time. So I'm gonna click on artboard, and now to copy this artboard, you can either click on this. So as I said, by clicking on this icon over here, which is new artboard, you can copy the current artboard. So I'm going to zoom out to show you what happens exactly. So let's click on new artboard and see what happens. And that's it. Now you have the exact same artboard as artboard 1. So there is another way to do this. So I'm going to hit Control Z, or you can do this from here to undo. Okay, to undo, you can either hit the shortcut keys Control plus Z, or you can go to Edit and use the undo button over here. So I'm going to do this. And so there's another way to copy the artboard, but in this case you can copy the artboard altogether with whatever object is in it. So if you hold down the Alt key, which is used to copy whatever in Adobe softwares, so if you hold down the Alt key and use your left mouse button and drag, so hold down the Alt key and then left click and drag, as you can see, you can copy the artboard with whatever is in it. You can do this how many times you like. So I'm going to do this another time and another time. So this is what you can do to copy the exact artboard altogether. There is another way to not copy the artboard, but to create an artboard in the exact width and height of your current artboard. So let's delete these artboards. All right. So to do this, again, you need to click on Artboard tool, and if you go outside the borders of your artboard, you can see that your mouse cursor will change into this icon that you can see. So you can hold down your left mouse button and hold down your shift key, and then create an artboard exactly like the ones that you already have. Alright, so let's see if it's on the same size. No, we need a little bit adjustment. Okay, so you can use these purple lines, which are the guides, to create an artboard exactly in the same width and height of your current artboard. So that's it, guys. Another note: if you want to exit the Artboard tool or this artboard editing environment, you can either click on escape button on your keyboard like this, or you can simply click on another tool. For example, you can click on selection tool. This is how you exit any tool, not just Artboard tool. So that's it, guys. We're done with this lesson. See you in the next one. Have fun.